Hihilahin ko yan. Hihilahin ko yan. Kung maniwala ka, hihilahin ko yan. Pero pero hihilahin ko yan. So, President, kung masusunod dito ngayon, reklamo niyo lang.
Gusto niya kung sabi para lang may
Sino? Walang mas mataas sa akin. Ako na ang commander dito. Booster na ako, sir.
Diretso rin ako sa aeroplano.
Yes. Okay, sir. Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to game.
It's not our intention, sir. It's not our intention. It's not our intention. It's not our intention, sir. You see?
Sir, di ba siya po yung talaga?
You know that it's not your duty. It's not your duty.
Alalayan lang si Presidente.
Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang pagharang ng kapitan ng barangay sa Caloocan City